Jharkhand, along with other states of the country. People have become cautious about conserving and using water efficiently. But because of a lack of awareness and knowledge of methods of conservation, villagers are unable to conserve water efficiently. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call to make water conservation a national movement is gaining momentum. DD News caught up with prominent water conservationist Eklavya Prasad, known as the Waterman of Jharkhand. He simplifies the complexities regarding water conservation for us.
Individuals are the backbone of any successful campaign, and the campaign for water conservation is no different. Adding to the efforts of government are many individuals who are doing their bit to save water. Convention has it that water conservation is by and large linked to harvesting rainwater, but this is only partly true. Eklavya Prasad from Dhanbad says there are many other ways to conserve water.
इस साल हम लोगों ने जो कैलकुलेट किया 21 जून को बारिश शुरू हुई धनबाद में 21 जून से लेकर 6 जुलाई तक 7 रेनी डेज थे लेकिन जो बारिश हुई वो लगभग 143 मिलीमीटर्स की हुई। अगर वाटर गवर्नेंस की बात करें उस पर ये सारे इनपुट्स जो आएंगे ये मदद करेगा लोगों को ये समझने के लिए कि आज तक जो हम सोच रहे थे कि नहीं वर्षा जितने अगर 3 महीने की है तो हर एक दिन वो बारिश हो रही है, वैसा नहीं है। एक साल के अंदर हमें ये बदलाव देखने को मिला।
With immense experience in water conservation, Eklavya Prasad opines that water saved from a single day's rainfall of 90 mm in a small reservoir would be sufficient to satisfy the needs of 7 people throughout the year.
हमारे यहाँ पर लगभग 90 मिलीमीटर बारिश हुई और हमारे कैंपस में हम लोगों ने 1,85,000 लीटर्स को हार्वेस्ट किया। अब 1,85,000 लीटर्स को अगर हम उसका गणित करें तो ये निकल के आता है कि प्रतिदिन 500 लीटर के लगभग हम लोगों ने हार्वेस्ट किया है, जो 7 लोगों का हम लोगों ने पूरे साल भर के लिए 90 मिलीमीटर से वो पानी हम लोगों ने जो संचय किया वो पूरे साल भर उनका काम आएगा।
Eklavya believes that by encouraging greater technology interventions in water conservation, more and more people would be in a position to become effective water conservationists. Jharkhand, like many other parts of the country, gets plentiful rainfall. It is evident that if all Jharkhand residents and indeed every citizen of the country become water conservationists, there would be enough water for generations to come. With inputs from Divakar Kumar and Ajay Sinha in Dhanbad, Bureau Report, DD News.
And more from Jharkhand, the central government has hastened the process to make Jharkhand a national tool